All right, guys, so this is a Pixlr tutorial on creating the collages for our looks or your um, inspiration mood boards for fashion. So this tutorial will cover, it's going to be the only one I make because it's the same tools, but apply to the different themes for the different projects we do for the year. So I've also added in this little video of me in the corner. I don't know if that's something you want. Adds a little extra flavor, I guess, but why not? So Pixlr.com, you can click on Advanced Pixlr E, and click Create New. Full HD is the size we want, and then title it whatever your whatever project it is you're working on. So personal collage, 1910s, mood board, fall look, winter look, whatever project we're working on, that would be the title. So for this demo, I'll do it seasonal, spell it right, seasonal look, winter. Then I am in the way here, it seems. Create. Okay. So this is, I don't know about me being here. I'll put myself here. So number one, let's add a background. So let's add a new layer, empty. Then change the two colors here because we're going to add a gradient. So if I'm doing winter, I can do that. And actually that color is not too bad for winter, but you click and then you choose whatever color it is, click OK. Then use your gradient. Linear looks like this. If you click and drag and let go. Radial looks like this. Okay, so I think I'm going to keep it linear. You can also, if you are not using a gradient, you could do a solid background. That would be just whatever the top color is and use the fill on a layer. Turn this off so you can see, like so. So it could be a solid background, it could be a gradient, or it could be an image. So if you choose an image, you would just paste it in and then stretch it to fit. So let's go find our first image. Just for this example, I'm just going to do a winter look. But again, this tutorial is for all our projects, so please go by the project guidelines. So we just want to make sure our image is crisp and clear, doesn't have watermarks. Copy. Edit, paste. Give it a moment. All right. When we want to make it smaller, we click the Arrange tool, and then we just move it down until we find a corner. And ads are going to pop up. Just X out of them as they appear. Oh. Come back. You can always navigate, click navigate, and zoom out. And then see if that happens to you, and then you can kind of bring it back. This whole thing is lagging, so I apologize for that. But we can zoom back in. I can fix this layer back here. There we go. Okay. So again, finding a corner. Again, this navigate window, you can zoom in and zoom out, so that's why I was able to find my corner. Let's move this over. Okay, there we go. All right, so things you can add, different effects you can add to images. So you have the layer selected, and then you click filter, and then all of these are different effects. So you can do an outline. You can change the color of your outline to whatever you want. Change the size. See that? That's outline. Filter outer glow. Change this. See, it's glowing. You can change the color of your glow. Right. The softness of the glow. How see-through it is or not. You can do a drop shadow. Boost the opacity, the blur. You see that shadow behind? can move it one way or the other. Okay. Let's drop shadow. Bevel will really only work if it's still square like this, because I'll try to show you. See, it looks kind of like three-dimensional a little bit. So all of these things are different options for you to add. Ooh, vignette might be nice for this one because it's kind of really light on the edges. Yeah, there we go. See that? Okay. So let's grab styling images to go with this. I'm going to look up winter hat. Again, we just want to pick images that are crisp and clear. Choosing images that have white backgrounds is going to be easier for you, but I'll show you how to use images that don't have white backgrounds. So edit, paste, find a corner, move it over. First way to snip out a background, you can use the wand select tool. You can click on these ads. Click on the white, then press backspace on your keyboard. Then either select deselect from here or Control D on the keyboard. Okay. Effects you can add, filter, outer glow, you know, all the same effects I just showed you, you can apply to the images after you've snipped out backgrounds. Remember, I am looking for that. Okay. Let's choose an image that has more things going on in the background. Jeez. I just want to pick an image that has more happening so we can snip it out. Just for an example so I can show you. I'm not actually going to use this image, but I'll use it for the demonstration. Edit, paste. Okay. So snipping his background out, you can try using the wand select, but notice how it's not exactly perfect. So you can use any of these cutout mask tools. You can try the magic mask, like so. And then you can use your eraser to erase any parts that are left behind. Right, the little crumbly bits, you can do that. Another option, you can use the draw mask. And you could change the size of any of these tools, like the size of the actual cursor. A bigger cursor, the bigger the area you're trying to get rid of. And not every single one of these tools works for every image. I'm just giving you all of the options you can use. Draw mask, magic mask, of course our wand select. The lasso mask, you can draw, I'm just going to do this really roughly, but if you draw, trace around what you want. It should let us snip. Yeah, and all of these ads are getting annoying. So, yeah, this is the shape mask. We don't want to use that one. It's usually not going to work. Our lasso mask sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Again, this is Pixlr, so it's not exactly everything that Photoshop can do. Yeah, this image is just not working for us. So if an image is not going to work for you, like I was just trying to make that work and it's just absolutely not happening, try another image. Don't struggle, right? I want to leave in all of these like issues I'm having, because then if you have the same issues, you guys can figure out how to get around it, right? Again, usually with our fashion images, a lot of these things have white backgrounds anyway. Maybe we try this one. Copy image, edit, paste. Okay. So again, let's use some of our cut tools. The magic mask. Magic mask worked pretty well on that one. See? So that one can work. Again, you can try the draw mask, you can try the lasso, but the things you're going to be using the most are our wand select, and then in here, cutout mask, our magic as well. Okay. All right, text, adding text. That is the next thing. So if we click on the T, and then we click add text here, then I want you to type out whatever it is you're going to say. So the winter look, whatever it is, then change all the things about it. So then change the font. Make sure it's highlighted. Come on. There we go. Okay, highlight. And go from there. Okay, you can change the color. Please make it as legible as possible, meaning I can see it. Change the size, right? And then you can use the arrange tool to then move it where you want it to go. Okay. So that's basically all the tools that you can use to create your Pixlr collages. So we went over the wand select, we went over the eraser, the gradient, these cutout tools. So you're going to use whatever combination that you are comfortable with in order to create your file. So when you're done, File, Save. Save it as a JPEG. Click Download. And then it will download into your download folder. And then please take yourself to Google Classroom and then turn it in under the assignment. All right, guys, if you have questions, let me know. Email me, but that is our basic overall tutorial on creating collages in Pixlr. And it's lagging to stop the recording. If you need me, let me know, okay?